Hello, you're welcome to App Fix and In. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to fix Android touchscreen not working. So if your Android touchscreen is not actually working and you want to know if the fault is actually a software issue or an hardware issue, then you need to watch this video to the very end. So guys, before going for the hardware part, let's simply check if it is a software issue from your device. In order for us to do that, we need to, first of all, the first step you need to take is to restart your device by tapping and holding the power button like this. Then you need to go ahead and click on restart. You can see the restart button like this. You need to click on that and restart your device. So looking right here on the device, you can see that you've been able to restart your device. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and remove your battery if this does not actually fix the problem. So let's say after restarting your device, yet you are still finding it difficult to touch your phone screen. Then the next step you need to actually take is to remove your battery. Now, if your battery is a removable battery, you can go ahead and remove the battery from your device. So if it is not actually a removable battery, you can just restart the device. So the next step you can actually take is to ensure that it is not an app from the device that is actually causing this issue. So you can actually resolve that by putting your phone in a safe mode. So if you are using a phone like an Android phone like Samsung, you can easily tap and hold the power button like this. Once you tap and hold the power button, you're going to see the option of power off. You can simply tap and hold on that and you'll be able to see the option of safe mode. So that is another step you need to actually take in order to resolve the issue if it is actually coming from an app you installed on your device. So the next step you can actually take as well in order to fix this issue is to remove your SIM card or your memory card. Now sometimes it might actually be because of your SIM card on your device or your memory card which is actually corrupted that is actually making your screen not to touch. So in order to fix that, you can simply go ahead and remove the SIM card or memory card like this by using something like this to remove it from your device, just like this. So you need to remove it like this and check if the phone touchscreen has started working. Now, in most cases, it might be because of your SIM card or memory card that is actually corrupted. So in order to fix it, you need to remove it and check if it is coming from them. So this is the next step you need to actually take in order to resolve this issue as well. So the next step you can actually take to resolve this issue as well is to remove your phone screen protector. So let's say you have a phone screen protector, just a smile like this. So you need to go ahead and remove it to check if it is actually coming from it. And as well, remove the cover of your phone. If you are using anything to cover the back of your phone, you can easily go ahead and remove that as well to make sure that it is not from the screen protector or the cover of your phone. So that is the next step you can actually take to resolve those issues as well. So the next step you can actually take, now let's say you've actually followed these steps I've actually mentioned on this video, yet the problem is not yet fixed. The next step you can take to fix this issue is to go to your phone device like this. So this should actually be your last option. You can actually go to your device like this and click on phone set systems like this. So right here, you're going to see the option of reset. You can see that option right here. So you can actually click on that, and clicking on this place where you can see erase all data, you need to go ahead and click on erase all data. But mind you, once you erase your data, all data on your phone, including pictures and videos, files, and all that are actually going to be removed from the device permanently. So before taking these steps, you need to make sure that you've actually transferred some of the files and photos that are important to you to a different device before taking these steps. So you need to erase your data of your phone, and after erasing it, clicking on this place where you can see erase all data. So once you click on the erase all data right here, your phone is actually going to erase and all the data on your device are actually going to be removed permanently. And this is actually going to help to solve the issue for you. So if you've actually followed all the steps on this video, yet the problem is not yet fixed, the next step you can actually take is to go to your service center for them to remove the touch screen itself and replace it with a new one. So these are the steps you can actually take in order to resolve Android touch screen not working. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, share this video to people that might need it, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.